Welcome back to Ritesh's kitchen. So today we're going to be making some pizza. So over here we have the ingredients for the dough. The toppings are over here, I'll explain that later. But first ingredient is yeast. Now yeast is a single-celled microorganism. It's used for many things. So we use it for bread to make the bread rise up, and for centuries people have been using yeast for beer and wine. So next we have white flour, plain white flour, some milk, olive oil, sugar, salt and some water. So let's get started. So first of all, put a spoon of yeast into the milk. Now put a little bit of sugar into the milk. So I have added the sugar into the yeast mixture to make the yeast grow. Now mix. After mixing, put the mixture in somewhere warm. Just keep it aside for a few minutes. So now that the yeast has risen up a bit, it's time to make the dough. So first of all, just a bit of salt, sprinkle it all around, then the entire yeast mixture. Now spoon of olive oil. Now mix it for a while first. Just mix it. If it's too sticky, just add a bit of oil, and yeah, now it's not that sticky. So it's ready. Put the lid on. And keep it aside for 1.5 hours. This is the dough, so I'm just going to take it out. As you can see, it's really puffy, it has lots of air bubbles in it. I'm just going to take it out and show you. So this is how it looks like. Really, it's not really that sticky as before, but it's still pretty sticky, and it's got a lot of air bubbles in it. I'll just show you when I'll just show you in the table. Now I'm just gonna put it over here. Just do this. Now you can put it in any shape really, but I prefer a square shape. I can do a circle. As I only have a rectangle shaped tray, I'm just gonna roll this into a rectangular shape. But otherwise, I do a circle. So I've rolled it into a rectangular shape. So after you have rolled it, just keep it closed for about 15 minutes so that it rises up a bit. So let's get to the toppings and sauce. So over here we have homemade pizza sauce made with tomatoes. I'll send you the recipe in the description below. You can use any sauce really, you can use ketchup, but I chose to use homemade pizza sauce. So next we have some bell peppers for the toppings. You can really use any color of bell peppers. I chose red and orange. You can use yellow and green. It's your choice really. And next we have black olives, some corn, onions and grated mozzarella cheese. The toppings are really optional, and so is the sauce. So yeah, now the pizza dough is ready. So I put the pizza dough in a parchment sheet, which I eventually put it on this tray. So before adding the ingredients, we need to put it into a preheated oven. Now set the knob for fan. Set the time for 3 to 5 degrees. I now set the heat to 240 degrees. The reason we're doing this is so that it gets cooked on both sides. So now I've taken the pizza dough out of the oven. So now just dab it a little with the fork so that it cooks well. So I just stabbed it so that the heat would go inside the dough as well. So now apply some olive oil. That's enough oil. So now, just apply some sauce. This sauce smells really nice. Just spread it around as much as you can. Just put it down and time for the toppings. About a bit, put it everywhere. That's enough. Now, time for the onions. So just put them everywhere. Here, here, here. Okay, now we put the bell peppers. Just spread them out. Okay, now it's time for the olives. So take an olive, cut it in half like this, and just put them around. You don't really need to do that, but I like doing so. Yeah. Spread it away. You can put jalapenos or anything really. Put chili, but yeah, I'll just stick with the olives. The reason I'm not using chili is because, well, my brother really doesn't like chili. So the last few, just put them somewhere, and yeah, done. So now for the main ingredient of pizza, cheese. Just sprinkle them everywhere until it fills. But since me and my brother love cheese, we're going to put a lot. Maybe even the whole bag. You can never have too many cheese. So, yeah. Just put them everywhere. Sprinkle them around. Sprinkle them everywhere. I think that's a bit too much cheese, but it's okay. Now it's ready to go into the oven. Now the pizza is ready, sort of. We haven't cooked it yet. So what we're going to do is put the pizza in a preheated oven, set the time for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just going to go for 15 and put the degrees for 100, 240. Yeah. So, and then just set this to fan. Now I need my gloves. Oh, don't. Okay. Anyways, just safety first. Take the pizza. the oven. So it's pretty hot. Be careful. Take it out. Yes. Let's turn the oven off. There's wax over here. The pizza smells delicious. Ready to serve. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like this video, try out this amazing recipe, and give us some feedback in the comment section. Goodbye.